Hello and welcome to this Boxer tutorial. This video shows how to use the freeform deformation functionality to easily modify your geometry. The freeform deformation, or FFD, is a method to smoothly deform geometry based on the displacement of a lattice of control points. To start with, we're going to import our geometry file. Click File, Import Part. Next, we will create the FFD box. Click Insert, FFD box. I'm going to use a Cartesian box. The FFD box editor appears. Here you can define the orientation, size, and number of control points. Next, we will define the Ffd Transform object. Click Insert, Transform, Ffd Transform. Drag the created FFD box from the feature tree to the FFD box specifier window in the editor. Drag the geometry you wish to deform from the feature tree into the feature tree subset. You can quickly wrap the FFD box to the geometry by right-clicking Ffd Transform in the feature tree and Wrap FFD Transform Geometry. The FFD box will move and resize to the geometry. You can still go back and edit the FFD box. Now we will create a lattice translation. Right-click FFD Transform and select Create Ffd Lattice Transform. You can choose a point, edge, or plane to displace. I'm going to add a plane of points to displace. You can type the displacement or use the drag handles in the graphics interface. And you can preview to check before clicking OK. Next, we will create a lattice rotation. Again, click Ffd Transform and select Create Ffd Lattice Transform. This time I'm going to select two planes of points to rotate. Choose which axis you wish to rotate the control points with respect to. You can move the drag handles or type the angle of rotation. Once you're happy with the deformed geometry, this can be used to generate a mesh. Or you can export the geometry by clicking File, Export Transformed Part. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website and contact us if you have any questions.